what if this entire process can be automated by building an AI agent? Let's understand this with an example. I have created my own AI agent, which can post on behalf of me a LinkedIn post on my LinkedIn profile. This is one of my AI agent. Just need to talk to my AI agent like write and post a LinkedIn post for me. That's it. I just entered and it will write and post an engaging LinkedIn post on my LinkedIn profile. Go to post activities. And this post was posted using my AI agent just now. So now I think you understood the difference between a generative AI versus agentic AI. In the next video, let's understand the architecture of an AI agent.